So hello everyone, so today we are going to make a piston. So this is going to be very easy, you just have to follow each and every step. So at first, uh, make a new component. So select the parent, it has been automatically selected the parent as this. So let's name this component as piston and press on OK button. And make sure the document setting is set to mm. And also make sure this has been activated. And click on sketch, select the front view, so now let's draw some lines. Let's make this a construction line and let's give some dimension. Here I will give dimension of 37 mm and here I will give 9.5 mm. Now let's draw some lines. Now let's give some dimensions. Here I would give 4 mm and here I will give here I would give 5 mm here it will be 2 mm and this will be equal. Now let's draw some more lines. You can press L on the L button in order to draw some lines. Now let's give some dimensions. Before that, let's make this collinear, these lines. Select all the lines, press on this with respect to this. So collinear constraint is been applied. Now let's give some dimension. Here it will be 3. Here it will be 2. Or else you can give equal constraint to each of this, like selecting this and this. No need of giving dimensions. You can give constraint like equal to all these lines. And now let's make these lines collinear with respect to this. Now let's draw a line. Let's create an arc. I select 3-point arc, select this point, and give a radius. I would give a radius of 189 millimeter. Let's make this 2 points horizontal. Now let's draw some lines. Make this horizontal and give a dimension of 62 mm. Let's give this a dimension of 39. And for this, I would give a dimension of 82 mm and press not 82 mm. Let's give a dimension of 74 mm and as you can see, all the lines has been turned black. That means all the lines has been constrained. So now let's finish the sketch. This is the profile. Now we are going to perform a revolve operation. Select the profile, select the axis, and a body is being created. Press OK. Now let's create a sketch. If you want to see the cut section, you can press on this option, slice option. This is the section view. Now let's draw some circles. The dimension will be 27 mm, and for the smaller circle it will be 22 mm, and for the bigger one it will be 36 mm. Let's add a constraint to this. So all the lines has been defined. Sorry, all the circles has been defined. So now let's finish the sketch. So now let's perform an extrude operation. So I select the profile and select the chain face and press on OK button. And now select enable the sketch and again perform the extrude operation. Select the profiles and select to the object and select the second chain face and press on OK button. So now let's perform a cut operation. So at first I will hide the body, select the profile, enable the body and perform a cut operation and press on OK. Now let's draw another sketch on the bottom view. I will draw a circle, I draw a rectangle. I select the center rectangle, draw a dimension of 50 by 50. Click enter and finish the sketch. Now I will perform a cut operation. So I click E in order to extrude. Perform cut operation, select the profile, start from the profile plane, extend to the object, select this face and press OK. So now let's draw another sketch. Before that, let's make a offset plane. The offset distance will be 46.5. Now let's draw a sketch. Draw a circle of dimension 36. Now let's give a dimension 25.5. Now let's finish the sketch. Oh, I forgot. Let's add a constraint. Now let's finish the sketch. Now let's perform an extrude cut of 4 mm depth. Now press OK. So now let's pattern this cut feature that we have just performed it. So let's go to the create drop down menu and select the mirror feature. So I select feature and select this extrude and select the mirror plane. So as you can see, a ghost preview is being created. Click OK. I think there is a need in order to make some changes. I will set this to 70 mm. Now let's finish the sketch. Now it looks okay. So if you want to make any changes, you can go back and make changes if you want to. So I hope that you must have understood how to create the piston in Fusion 360 workspace. If you have understood it, you can subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button.